Aba press mutayino kukoba mukasajja mu mukayi am 71 code balonde boba nani the old man of 71 so kalonda yele baliye mwana okwiza mwere lyebulamugi nge mwere yosogana era mutuhe ekitiibwe bana ku parliament.
This time round, to closing the chapter ya lamentation, tutandika ebintu munkola tulamenta nze ino ekiseera kyonna aye nga tebusogere na buli kimu ekisobola okuyamba abantu baakyo. Ba MP tuli kujja mu parliament kijja kuba kya bulyaza amaanyi ino okujja mu parliament ya Uganda twalira muntu abanyeko kasiibiri kijja kuba kibi ino tulika no tutiyaime ayi abasoge mu bamaali akizitidi njalo ka parliament eyo mutandike kwewunza kukola ebintu ebitakema nze mama nze ndi nundo ndi akyatule abaka ba parliament omulika n'omwemeni mama ndi kubasaba ife yabe NUP tutwidde kano lwakuba twekanya n'ebintu byemuli kwogera bya party ya NRM no twidde kano lwa Busoga because Busoga is bigger than all of us here. Mama iwe go twindi mu Busoga ndi goba koyogera ensonga esobola okuyamba abasoga era iwe go tuli mu naisuubi n'ensonga lwaki tuli wano kyadidye wano ayi kululo mama nkoze ki era singa abandi nabakubye meeting wano mama kyadidye ayi kululwo niwe isuubi lya Busoga so ba MP bananga omuli wano kutaba bankwe enkwe nezize kwita Busoga nkwe tuvemu enkwe zedize dyadya ne kujja mu parliament ne kwagana ngo bera no wamana watuchuka baba bakujja kufaniza
mama twali tufunye opportunity okutuwa speciality care kubiyo mitima ni kubindi ngebya sikoselo nti kiwaleje kitutyemeku nze nsaba nti ebyo ndakubita kwa kulupapula tusobole okutandika okubita mu budget okutandika ni budget ejobisibwa tube kuna kirala kituyingiza mu budget tulenga kindabu naye ekikulu obwidandabi obulinisa omuntu kunonya okumutwala ebuyindi oba obwidandabi obuti omuntu kunonya okujja Kenya twandyeza okuba nga bubaawo wano okujinja Regional Referral Hospital kuba abatulonda tibanina ndoni kwetusirika tubagenze ng'omuntu mama nkwebaza kuba ekuto kumpi bagitoleko era ndikwebaza kuba abajinja West bona baviire eka bajja ku luguudo babookwo bakantya maybe ketukoleko kututiba nakendeera tibakendeire nga balikoba nti okutoolaku ng'obuwanguzi bwaife mu bununuire mwalanga batuwa nga MP wa Jinja South West tituli kuva ku luguudo ekyandize kuzeena TD aye nkwebaza okubanga ensonga edifaanana oti needo osituka wavaayo mwiwe tukwenumirizamu ino nga Busoga tukwenumirizamu ino nga Jinja South West
kusaidia bavubi bona betaga yetoyi eyo febisede eriyo waliro litukwenda lituke kwiralere lyokuna twaba ni CD school ebyengo bali kujetaaga CD school mu Buyengo Town Council oluguudo lwaife luno twateesaako lw'embulamuti mama talwerabira abantu baidda tubisa bubi webali ekindi aye nga industrial park ndowooza ettaka linda district erina ettaka lingi tulina kufuna engeri etusoosinga ettaka eryo nze ndinoonye maama weebale ino amasimu twagawulira abalwani baaliwo bayenda kubisa mu baana bo bona abali abataije wano bayenda okubaibako obuwanguzi bwaibwe nze naliwo evidence everything aye nemwikiriza nti maama oli mulwani sigala lwa Busoga.
Amaina nairobozi nize Andrew Kiza Kaluya mama nenda okulopera tengo chidi It head of mobilization, National Unity Platform of Eastern Uganda. Means to set the record straight. Ntituliwa for Busoga. Mama wembaire ndida bwene yelo mungi na yelo kwirayo. Ayi bwe maze nabo na carpet. Nakoma ntama mama alitwanye bisatu. So you can have organization in Tibet or red. Even more. I'm here to the discomfort of my party because of what transpired during the elections. We are not yet healed. There's a lot that has gone on. There's a lot that is still going on. There are a lot of court cases that are going to come after this. We have lost lives. So it is very prudent that this meeting sticks on Busoga issues. We disagree on other issues, but let us stick to Busoga issues. And I wanted to make that very clear, because for me, when it comes to Busoga, party comes secondary. And as a leader in my party, National Unity Platform, we are very uncomfortable with the election process, but that is for my bosses to handle. So back to the subject of Busoga. I want to thank you for taking the initiative of inviting us here to talk about the pertinent issues affecting Busoga. Busoga is supposed to be the pearl of Uganda. It has gone down the drain over the years, and it is upon our leadership that we salvage the little that is left. We have very many wonderful ideas that can contribute to the development of Busoga, but often the time, politics interferes with the development of Busoga. The intrigue, the infightings, everything just destroys the development of Busoga. So my humble appeal is, Mama, as we start a new term, of 5 years.
Mama, over Prime Minister tukukusana.
Prime Minister,
Mama bamba listen. Mama ni sabo President Museveni. President Museveni obango lwatu wabona mawulire nilikusaba nchomkaira alitwala Kadaga omu wa Vice President obuwa Prime Minister.
Prime Minister na budget.
Kubo wawewe aba bakabona byona abye batumwire. Ne yanzire. Ne yanzire. Aba bakabona byona bye bakolere ki ebye batumwire. Mama tuleko President Museveni. Kine kisange kye tuli kumalapo. Nakuwa nganiwe first Deputy Prime Minister. Natola on Isanga Nakadama and Prime Minister. Natola Okaswe. Lwaki abateeka wamu ate nga waliwo ebintu ebindi. Otumule. Abasooka muliyo. Bona batayi wantu watya. Nze President tirimulagira. Aye ndi musaba. Ate nze ampulira kuba amaite ntukuli ow'entumula nti akoba ati omulamoje. Ndi mukoba President ndi kusaba omululamoje. Nze omulamoje mwina we gumaite. Nga ndi kusaba nti kuluno tetuli kuba nti ebyo watuwaire bibibi. Bisaira byo watuwaire. Ayi tuli kuba kuluno. Okwifo omutaba ba Vice President bube bwa Prime Minister.
Ni Busoga region. Nenda kukoba babemba ba parliament banange nti ndi mukyala akolera abantu bona. Ndi mukyala alina boreholes 10 montukire mbawe kusobola okuextendinga projects edo. Kuba woni kwogera n'eganga Jumansiisa Muhammad n'ensonga lwaki nasobola okuwangula amagombola gona 12 n'eirala ng'ezira we bansinzeeku. So ndi ready okusavinga Bannayuganda. Wabula mama ndi kusaba kintu kirala kyonka. Mu speech mbaire ndogeza ino industrial park okwa-upgradinga Iganga main hospital then n'akatala ak'Iganga. Ndi kusaba mama mu kisanda
okukwebaza okuba maama omulungi. Lwaki nkoba nti maama omulungi? Kuba oyaniriza buli muntu. Nze ndiwo independent ate nga ndiwona abantu abali wano bonabona babibina byandawulo. So nenda kusima nti weebalire irala ezina muntu gwogoba. Nayinda n'okukwebaza olw'eitoofa lyoteire ku Busoga. Nenda okwebaza olw'omulimu gwokoze okuba ng'ogayita Busoga ng'ogitwala mu maiso. Nayinda n'okwebaza, thank you for being an inspiration to young people like me. Nenda okwebaza maama ate nenda okutegeeza nti nze ndi wano olunaku olwaleero lwakuba iwe.
Nze Okasajja George Patrick yalondeberwe omubulamu of North West Constituency ebaire nga etwalibwa Honorable Frederick Ngobi ng'omaite ekyambeseri okuhangula olw'okuba nti omunange tiyasobwere kukolera abantu ate yabaire ne enkola embibi ng'owabanga mali kutunakalu yenga atyama butyamya iganga atyama Ijinja atyama Kampala ekifo ky'okuyinza okukolera abantu. Nze tinakola ebintu by'ekika ekyo. Omuntu nga bakulondere n'okuba n'omuntu akulondere n'omukobere ky'oliko okumukolera era n'omulobingira n'omusona ebintu byamuyamba. Nze ebyo bye ndikwaba okukola ate morede mwamalire okunyega ekyeko kyensobola okuyamba abalamuki ena baire nga MP okuva mu 1989 mabwene nga bintu bine binasunanga Kampala nga mbireeta omu constituency ebanga ery'ekintu ekiyaka ekizira mu parliament intani nkobera abalamuki ebanga bwe nataka okuwega bokumpe okwongeramu bampa magezi ndinyaba
kesimba walewaire kinali ndikwenda kyavaawo aye nabo nanga n'ekyo mbise because almost twakolera walala abantu batuwa meya. So ekirowoozo ky'obwemupi era kyona kyaida of course mutimu nga bwe tutambula munange mwami Kalyowa yankoba ati lwaki tetunonyayo constituency tetwesimbawo ekirowoozo bwe kyaida ate nife ebirowoozo byasooka kulumukira mu Jinja West nga ye tuli kulowooza nti tusobola okwesimba ebirowoozo byasooka kulumukira eyo era mu Jinja West eyo se twasabayo okunaakano twaida bwe tutambula ebirowoozo byakyuka. Actually tibyakyuka omwami bamweta Saulo Nsongambi yali chairperson wa NUP yandeta bali ni mwami Bigirwa ebiseera ebyo nona Lomanjeri mwami Saulo Nsongambi yaleta ekirowoozo nti muna olukusaba bwa MPI wali kubusaba wakyamu obwa MP gy'obusabe mu Jinja North yokulire yosomeire yosula yebakuzaire eri abantu bo aye nganze mu bwongo mbonanga Jinja North inene kuba mwena mujindi ni constituency esinga bunene mu Jinja City ngambo nanga nene ino era namukwanti muna ekyo kinko byayi Jinja North inene ate ni mu Jinja West mba entandise n'okuteekateeka abantu bwe tuli gyotambuza akali akati be ife tuliwo gyokole ki jja mu Jinja North naye era mu Jinja North nalangira mu bubba bwayo muna twatandika onoonya akalulu twaida paka wano
ikuwona okwange abantu balinze babona batakola babasibula basubira twaidakole bitimu enepyaka bekindi timu eyaliwo mene yali yantalo ate abantu kitebenda kibano ndawatuke Kampala kubona aye kantu constitution fighting watu wakati katoyo kwa watu abandi kati baboine kituufu bagoba abalwanyi abalwana babagobye noya bala wasigula obanga ategeera musogani balatifaako wakasigula yaso yenda mprimary twamulaga nti bana abantu wetubabeera yabaita ku independent yabaibira kati tulipanda soka kati obye kadi ya ila chubika osibi sonfala kutambuye yala tulo kusila miaka kidi nga ndi marwachi twesobuchi koruno nga nabalede bakulinde bakolino kuba kobanti ekinali manga ando okugerera asaida zakyo Kilo akuba kasajja wa Iganga naye kasajja wa Busoga. That's why what we do. Ekinali muli unatuke. Ekinali wale endali mulati. Really need to get you one. So when one attack a reinforcement, that will reinforce you. One attack a Mirangaku, Wani, Aye, Chenda Sava, our Semu, getting a all of that on your way down to if someone is there, you are in it, which is a cook, Madame Pau, putting out. Oh, if you are catching it by the computer, wa izo karubiza wa izo kurabatia kwa assuring that the campaign extend. Out of the ones of your councillors were left in the eye and we just so well. I enter away that Zoom. So I just want to circulate. I'm aware that India is 100 kilometers. India space 100 kilometers. I said that is with the Baba, what the kilometers. Then we have to make the time. It made the get any Nankan. So we have to talk about it. I should quite about our regular serious song. But we are going to I'm going to now.